Good morning, students. In today's video, I have taken up a very beautiful poem written in March. It was written by William Wordsworth. He was born on 7 April 1770. Now look at this poem. This poem has a few archaic words. Archaic means that something very old or old-fashioned word. We have already mentioned these words with red ink. You can see here hath, doth, anon. In this poem there are three archaic words. The first one is doth. I have also mentioned here with meaning. You can see archaic word, something is very old. The one is doth. It was used for do does in olden days. The second one is hath. It was used for has have in olden days. And the third one is anon. It means very quickly. So the poem written in March bring out the essence of nature and shows how the human life is affected with the withdrawal of winter and commencement of spring. In the title, March shows, you can see written in March. So March shows, March is the time of gradual, that is slow change, where spring takes over and the last of snow melt away. You know that when March will come and all winter has gone. For the better understanding of the poem, I have divided this poem in two stanzas. Stanza 1, 10 lines in each stanza, and this is the stanza 1 of 10 lines, and next one is 10 line stanza is the second stanza. So first we have stanza 1. The crow is crowing, the stream is flowing, the small birds twitter, the lake doth glitter. The green field sleeps in the sun. The oldest and youngest are at work with the strongest. The cattle are grazing, their heads never raising. There are 40 feedings like one. So this is the stanza of first 10 lines. So now we have to explain this stanza line by line. You can see the day begins with the sound of cock. Crowing is the sound of cock. Okay? And you have to understand this one also. Crowing, flowing, twitter, glitter, these all are rhyming words. Okay? Those who are similar sounds, you can say crowing, flowing, twitter, glitter. So this is the rhyming scheme of the poem. These are rhyming words in the poem. Okay? So the cock is crowing. The day begins with the sound of cock. The cock sound indicates the rise of a new day, and the stream is flowing. At the same time, the poet visualizing the stream is flowing, blowing, and the small words are twitter. Twitter means chirping. Okay? The lake doth glitter. The sun makes the lake glitter, means make it shine. So glitter means shine. As the sun fall on the lake will be shining. The people, young and old, all are moving to work, and cattle are grazing with such concentration without raising their head that they all, the 40 appearing, there are 40 cows, 40 cattle, the 40 are appearing like one. Okay? So these lines shows the routine life of a countryside. Okay? Students, we have given explanation of these 10 lines. You note down keywords in your notebook and archaic words also, and read aloud poem at home. Okay, and we will do the second stanza of 10 lines in next day. Bye bye.